SlowCast English, Episode 41.
Small mistake.
Oh no, I forgot my keys.
Again?
Yeah, I'm so careless.
It happens. Don't worry.
Now I can't go home.
Can someone help you?
Maybe my roommate.
Call him.
Good idea.
See? Problem solved.
Hopefully.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Thanks.
Everyone makes mistakes.
True. Introduction to this podcast. Forgetting keys conversation. Kevin realizes he forgot his keys and feels careless. But Olivia reassures him and suggests calling his roommate for help. Olivia encourages Kevin not to be too hard on himself, reminding him that everyone makes mistakes. And Kevin appreciates her support.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.